YouTube just made some changes to its monetization policy, which means you'll be seeing a lot more 8-minute videos in the future. Welcome to Touch Technology Review, the creator series of videos. My name is John Scarpa, and today we're going to take a look at one of the recent changes to YouTube's monetization policies that you as a content creator really need to know about. If you weren't aware already, the way content creators on YouTube make money is by enabling ads to play on their videos. In order to be eligible for monetization, you need to hit a milestone in relation to the stats on your channel. You need to get 1,000 subscribers, and you need to be hitting 4,000 watch hours of your videos combined in a 12-month period. Now, it might sound daunting for some and almost unattainable, but if you keep putting out great content and make it as compelling and appealing to your audience as possible, you can easily hit that target and indeed go well beyond. Now, for those of you who have made it already, congratulations. And today I'm going to give you a tip to help you make sure that you're getting the most out of your videos in terms of revenue opportunities. When you upload your video in the YouTube studio, no doubt you're aware that you need to create a great thumbnail and title and fill in the description field with enough text to allow potential viewers to understand what your video is about, but above all, to help the YouTube algorithm find content and place it in front of the right type of viewer. Once you fill in these details, click on the next button, and provided you're already monetized, you'll get an option to mark that particular video that you just uploaded for monetization, which in most cases is going to be a yes. In addition, you'll see a content declaration screen where you can confirm the content complies with YouTube's monetization policies and which category of content you're creating. Now, if by chance your content does include any of these listed categories, it doesn't mean that you won't be eligible to monetize your content. It just means that YouTube will need to disclose this to advertisers, that your content has such material in it, and those advertisers can then choose as to whether they want to advertise within or alongside your type of video. In the end, you may receive less revenue as there could be less ads running on your content, but you won't be precluded from monetization altogether. Now, it's not like you have any choice, because even if you don't declare it during the upload process, eventually your content may be flagged by the algorithm and end up in the reduced monetization category or removed altogether. So I would strongly encourage that you fill in these details with honesty and full transparency so that you build up a good rapport with YouTube and avoid any unnecessary issues or delay in getting your content out there. If your video is under 8 minutes, proceed to the next step as you can't make any adjustments. But if it's over 8 minutes, you get to select where and when you'd like to place ads in your video, along with how many ads you'd like to appear. This used to be available to you only if your videos were longer than 10 minutes, but with this latest update on the YouTube Creator Studio, you can now do it on 8-minute videos. This applies to any new videos that you upload from now on, and you can also go back and apply changes retrospectively to any videos that you've uploaded previously that are longer than 8 minutes in duration. Now, before you go crazy and fill in your videos with ads, remember why you're here in the first place and what's most important about being a content creator. And that is to make compelling videos that make your viewers want to continue watching, provide value in the form of education, entertainment, or inspiration, and above all, deliver exceptional value that will make your viewer want to comment favorably, like, and subscribe to your channel. Now, there's nothing worse than watching a video that has an ad placement every few minutes, essentially breaking the flow of the content and reducing the viewer experience. I've come across a few channels that I felt have done this. In fact, I stumbled across a great comedy channel, I won't mention their name, recently, and they inserted an ad literally after every punchline. Now, as a content creator, I do understand the importance of advertising revenue, so I'm happy to support my favorite content creators by watching a few ads, but I certainly don't want to be seeing an ad every 3 minutes. So keep this in mind now that you have this extra control at your fingertips, to use it with consideration and always put the viewer experience up front before your own interests. If you're looking at growing your revenue opportunities, consider other ways to increase earnings, including adding merch to your channel and sponsored content, which can be a good way to get support for your videos without saturating them with too many ads. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. And if you want to see more from me, consider subscribing to the channel and you'll be notified of up and coming video releases. See you on the next one. Bye for now.